Hello, this is Bill with MotoShop, and today I'd like to show you how to transfer a vehicle from one existing customer to another existing customer. The first thing you'll want to do is pull up the existing customer that you'd like to transfer the vehicle to. To do this, click on Customer, enter any search criteria, click on Search, choose the customer, cancel this, click on the Vehicle button, put in the VIN, and click on Search. As you can see, it found a vehicle belonging to Kim Martinez. It's asking, would you like to move this vehicle in history to this customer? Doing so will delete the vehicle and history from the original customer. Now we have several options, and I'd like to go through those one at a time. Let's talk about the Cancel button first. By pressing the Cancel button, you're canceling the operation and will just be returned to the vehicle selection menu. By hitting No, you get another message. It's asking you if you would like to select the existing vehicle, which is in this case a 1997 Toyota Land Cruiser, with the existing customer. If you click on No, it acts exactly like the Cancel button in the prior screen. If you click Yes, what you're doing is you're creating a brand new record with this vehicle. What that means is no service history will come with this vehicle. Lastly, we have the Yes button. Pressing the Yes button will take all of the vehicle's history and give it to the new customer, erasing it from the original customer. At this point, we can go ahead and click on Service History, Load History, and now you can see that all of the prior service history that was associated with Kim Martinez is now associated with Abby Smith and the 1997 Toyota Land Cruiser. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more video tutorials.